Unplanned downtime, reactive repairs, maintenance data scattered across spreadsheets nobody trusts. That's enterprise asset management for most teams today. DreamzCMMS fixes this with AI built into every step, from the moment an asset is onboarded to the moment it's retired. Everyone gets a dashboard built for their role. Technicians see exactly what's on their plate: emergency work orders, overdue jobs, what's due today. Administrators get the full operations pulse, open work requests, backlog, and where procurement pressure is building. All in one view, refreshed in real time. Every asset lives in a single, centralized registry. With the interactive asset tree, you can instantly navigate from facilities to categories and down to individual equipment, making it easy to understand asset relationships and find exactly what you need. Then AI takes it a step further. Every week, it automatically generates a summary of your asset health, highlighting what changed, which assets need attention, and how your fleet is performing, without building a single report. Need to know exactly where an asset sits on site? Upload your facility's floor plan and pin every asset to its physical location, so technicians find equipment fast, even in a building they've never worked in before. Creating a work order takes seconds. Fill in the essentials, and our system handles the rest. Work orders are automatically tagged as preventive, corrective, safety, or inspection, then organized in the view that works best for your team. Use the table for detailed tracking, the calendar to plan upcoming work, the map to monitor field activities, or the Gantt view to manage schedules and workloads across multiple jobs. Even at the asset level, AI gives you a daily verdict, highlighting what needs your attention today and what doesn't, so your team can focus on the work that matters instead of checking equipment that's already performing normally. Need a new inspection checklist? Just describe what you need in plain language, and DreamzCMMS drafts it for you. Tasks, pass or fail fields, photo requirements, all set up automatically. No templates to hunt for, no starting from a blank page. This is where DreamzCMMS really takes work off your plate. Build simple if-and-then rules, and the system runs your playbook automatically. A work order instantly gets the right safety checklist attached. A reported fire hazard becomes a work order on its own. A high-priority job gets assigned the second it's created. No manual triage, just rules that fire the instant conditions are met. Even purchase approvals are automated, routing requests to the right approvers based on your business rules. Not every issue starts as a work order. Sometimes it starts as a report. Incidents track requests, problems, and change requests separately, each with its own priority, urgency, and category, so nothing gets lost between something's wrong and someone's fixing it. And when a report needs action, one click turns it straight into a work order, a purchase request, or a quotation. No retyping the same issue twice. Getting issues reported shouldn't require a complicated process. From the web portal, anyone can quickly submit a maintenance request by providing the required details, making it easy to report issues as soon as they're noticed. The same experience is available on mobile too. Simply scan the location's QR code to instantly open the request form, capture the issue with a description and photos if needed, then submit it in seconds. The request is automatically logged in DreamzCMMS, allowing your maintenance team to review, assign, and resolve it without delay. Spare parts and procurement run through a full purchase-to-pay flow. Purchase requests, requests for quotes, purchase orders, receipts, invoices, even returns. All connected, all trackable in one place. The purchase planning board keeps you ahead of shortages, grouping what you need to buy, flagging what's overdue or critical, and letting you generate a purchase order or RFQ in one click instead of chasing spreadsheets. Moving parts between facilities is simple and controlled. From the stock transfer list, you can review existing transfers or create a new one by selecting the source and destination locations, adding the required parts, and submitting the transfer. Each stock transfer is recorded in one place, giving your team clear visibility into what is being moved, where it is going, and the current transfer status from creation through completion. Every action across your operation flows into one centralized reporting hub with nearly 300 ready-to-use reports, covering maintenance, asset reliability, inventory, procurement, workforce productivity, and operating costs. Monitor KPI like MTBF, MTTR, work order backlog, preventive maintenance compliance, stock levels, purchase approvals, and technician performance, all without building reports from scratch. Whether you're a maintenance manager or an executive, the insights you need are always just a click away. When you need answers, you don't have to build a report, you just ask. Meet VEDA, DreamzCMMS's built-in AI Copilot. Ask it anything about your work orders, assets, spare parts, or schedules in plain language, and it responds instantly, with the numbers, the context, and what to do next. Ask for trends, and VEDA builds the chart on the spot, comparing months, spotting a drop in completion rate, flagging risk, no spreadsheet required. And whatever it finds, export it straight to Excel, CSV, or PowerPoint. Ready for your next meeting. The same power is available on mobile. From the dashboard, technicians can instantly see today's priorities, access assigned work orders, and start a job with a single tap. As work progresses, they can record labor hours, capture photos, add notes, complete digital checklists, and close the work order in real time, keeping everyone updated without paperwork or phone calls. And if connectivity is lost, the app keeps working offline. Every update is stored securely and automatically syncs the moment a connection is restored, so no work or data is ever lost. Teams on DreamzCMMS have saved $67 million in annual downtime costs, cut spare parts spent by $21 million, and increased production availability by 32%. DreamzCMMS. Book your free consultation today.